Hello everyone, I'm Savannah, and my friends and I at CutterPillar are very excited to reveal to you something that we've all been very excited to share. This is the brand new CutterPillar UV glow light. So you guys can see it's really well made. It's lightweight, but it's really made to last. They're very sturdy. You guys, it's rechargeable. It is flexible neck, all that. It's also universal, so you don't have any like plugins, anything that's not going to work. It comes with the charging cable, and it looks like it has pretty good run time. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. I had so much fun stitching around with this light last night. Here you can see with a regular light, it kind of washes it out, and it makes it really hard to see, especially up by where you're really stitching. And then here you can see with the black light, it really pops really well. This glow light worked so well for me. I actually had a lot of fun experimenting with some UV reactive threads and doing some thread painting. I was doing some mock hand embroidery on an applique project that I need to get finished, and oh, I loved it. It worked so well.